FAIRINO Mobile Welding Solution, designed for on-site welding, smaller size, lighter weight. One-person setup with permanent magnetic base. Integrated programming-free smart tool at robot end. Equipped with 6-axis force sensor, smoother than ever drag-to-weld operation. One-click arc start positioning. One-click arc end positioning. One-click weld execution. Operators with zero welding programming experience can use it effortlessly, can also easily master the system. Consistent weld quality. Reduced grinding costs. No more struggles with high-mix, low-volume workpieces. Delivers reliable AI-powered welding solutions for steel structures, shipbuilding, and industrial equipment manufacturing. FAIRINO Large Workpiece Welding Solution. Multi-robot arm spans available. Expandable with lightweight linear tracks, multi-axis gantries or positioners, compact footprint, rapid deployment. Designed for large workpiece welding. For oversized parts, the integrated 6-axis force sensor allows smooth 2-finger dragging of long-reach robots to set arc start points. Software-controlled sliding axis positions the end zone. Manually drag to set arc endpoints. Simply input weld length and spacing. The software auto-generates skip welding commands from your 2 points. Linear rail motion with one-touch activation. Coordinated robot external axis welding handles right angle, fillet, skip, and groove welds. All programming free with consistent quality. FAIRINO Air Lab Welding Solution. Optimized for high-mix, low-volume flexible welding scenarios. Modular design, 3D vision welding system integrating smart sensing and adaptive control technologies. Accurately captures weld paths without CAD model input. Determines optimal welding orientation with auto-collision avoidance planning. Enables rapid changeover and template reuse for varied workpiece specs. Drag robot to imaging position. 3D vision camera captures images. System auto-processes point cloud data. Identifies component features and generates welding path. Computation completed. Robot initiates welding. Workpiece replaced. System auto-detects new workpiece's position, orientation deviation. Adjusts real-time welding path for precision welding.